built for heavy-duty vehicles and demanding shops. ARI-hetra's flush-mounted platform lifts sit level with your shop floor, creating a clean, open work area that improves efficiency and enhances safety. With lifting capacities from 55,000 to 154,000 pounds, these platform lifts handle the heaviest vehicles with confidence and control. Underneath, the difference is clear. With no sliding parts and auto-lubricating bushings, there's no wear to wheels or skids, no lubrication requirements, and less downtime over the life of the lift. Customers value the user-friendly design. Vehicles are easy to guide on and off, controls are straightforward, and daily operation is simple, leaving little room for error. The intuitive display provides real-time height at each leg, along with clear notifications to keep operations smooth and predictable. The system locks automatically, and the locking sequence can be quickly and easily repeated if needed. Each leg can also be operated independently for accurate calibration. And when you need support, ARI-hetra's factory-trained technicians are ready to help keep your equipment and your shop moving. Explore more at ARI-hetra.com.